2021. Here's Castréninkatu, Castréninkatu 6 staircase. I mean, or 5 staircase. Big. And also Negesin ja Fjärdelinjen 28. But Castréninkatu is the main address. There are 6 floors here. The capacity is 3 persons at 5 persons, the original. We have in staircase A, which was built in 1954, and staircase C, which was built in early 1955. And we can go first and bottom here. But it's not completely original. Or it's had the hall here, but it was taken away.
Yeah.
Also built in late 1954, finished in 1955. Turned 65 years old between 2019 and 20. The serial number is H5904. So this is the same as staircase A. Staircase C is done early 1955. 6 floors. It's going to be inspected in 2023. Painful pictures.
Yeah. If they still not maintained by backup shared hisskeskus.
Yeah, not the best possible, but still original.
Yeah.
I like the vibrations here.
No, same.
And also, we'll say I'll say it later. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. These also watch the sticks.
That's